We cannot permit the witch to spread her curse. You'll find her at the highest point of the tower.
Just don't know when they're not wanted. I guess we'll have a little fun, won't we?
Good. I knew you'd make it, eventually. Sophia waits within.